Hi everyone, welcome to the DIY section of electronicsforyou.com.
Today we are going to make a linear actuator with a distance control system. Getting the accurate distance in linear actuator is quite difficult and it is needed in lots of applications like in robotics or factories or in cars. And the linear actuator are very expensive while we not need those expensive linear actuator in DIY project. So today we will make a linear actuator that can be controlled electrically and can be programmed to move up to certain distance. We can use this distance control linear actuator in many areas like in robots or in robotics arm, in automated door or in anywhere where we need a linear motion. We will learn a lot of things project. How we can design our own product, how we can use the 3D printing in our project, how we can use the servo motor with Arduino. Now let's look at the main component of this project. We need an Arduino, one servo motor, 50 cm leader screw and bolt, 3D printed part for linear actuator, one ultrasonic sensor. Now let's make this project. First we will design our device. And then 3D print its part. Next we will assemble them. Now we will give the command to Arduino to control the servo motor and move the linear actuator up to certain distance. Hope you like the video we talked about. To make the project, check the link in description below.
We are now producing videos of all projects we are publishing in Electronics For You magazine and on this website electronicsforyou.com, so that not only do you get to see their proof of concept, but through the video we aim to make it easier to understand the circuit. For more interesting DIY projects, keep visiting electronicsforyou.com. Thank you.